Okay, here we are at Dirt Floor Motors again, getting ready to see what this thing does. I had another video about ready to put up and thought I'd fix the boiling problem, but it boiled again, but sometimes it doesn't. And I put stop leak in, and that seemed to help a lot. I put another radiator off of the 29 on there that we bought new, brand new, wasn't an old one, and so I know it's good, but the thing just keeps getting hot on me. So I've had some other issues. I put a gasoline tank off of a lawnmower on it and some new ignition parts, and it seems to be running pretty good, but I hate to say it, but we'll see what happens. I'll let it run a while, and then I'll put in the comment on the video how it turned out, because I don't have a big enough card in this camera.